In this video, I will show you 3 tools that can help you with your planning and save you time. First, let's talk about School AI. This tool is like a smart helper for teachers and students. Here is what it does. With School AI, you can create interactive sessions for students using chatbots. This tool also enables you to create worksheets, lesson plans, multiple choice questions. You can also create readings at different levels for students using this tab over here. You can also create IEP goals for students. This also enables you to create time-based activity. So all you do is you click over here, choose your year level, and the time that you want to spend on those activities, put in the subject or the topic in here, generate that, and it will help you to create activities for your students. This also allows you to create course outlines. Next, let's take a look at Magic School. This tool helps teachers save time and be creative. Here is what it can do. With Magic School, you can create information text on topics. So if you click over here, it will take you to this interface where you can choose your year level, the length of your reading text, put in the topic over here, and once you click that, it will help you to come up with a reading text. And that reading text could be put in here to create worksheets for them. And you can also create YouTube questions over here. And this tool also enables you to create multiple activities for students using a choice board. There's a custom chatbot option as well. And right at the end of the interface, you can upload a doc, and the chatbot will allow students to have, or it can also allow teachers to chat with the chatbot about the document. This tool also enables you to create tongue twisters, quotation for the day, and so on. Now, let's look at Eduaide AI. This tool makes learning smarter and easier. With Eduaide, you can use a prompt and create multiple things such as a unit plan, assessments, a lesson plan, or you can also create engagement activities for students. For instance, this is my topic. If I put my topic in here, click on Add to Workspace, it creates a list of objectives. So this becomes a starting point for me to create my unit plan. I can go back here. So once this is generated, I can click back on this icon over here, and it can help me generate. For example, if I click over here, you can see that there'll be a unit plan that will be started. So this is my unit plan for the topic. And I can do the same thing with all these features that are here. If I click on that tab, it allows me to have slides, take notes, and so on. It can also enable me to create independent activities for students. It can also allow me to create some group work activities for students and also assessments, right? So if I can use the same topic and create multiple activities using this tool. So here's a quick recap. School AI helps with classroom management and personalized learning. Magic School AI is a great tool for creating worksheets, games, and saving you time. Eduaide AI helps with research, lesson planning, and creating questions. Which tool do you want to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on teaching and learning. See you next time.